The Skyleader 600 is a two-seat, all-metal light sport aircraft made for fun flying, flight training, and special missions. It is powered by a 100-horsepower Rotax 912 engine, giving it a top speed of about 143 miles per hour and a comfortable cruise speed of around 119 miles per hour. With a fuel capacity of 31.7 gallons, it can fly up to about 994 miles and stay in the air for nearly 9 hours. The aircraft is designed for comfort, with a wide 50-inch cockpit, good visibility, and ergonomic seating. Its wing design with Fowler flaps improves lift and control, making flights smooth and safe. The Skyleader 600 weighs 750 pounds empty and has a maximum takeoff weight of 1,323 pounds, allowing a useful load of 573 pounds. With modern avionics and customizable options, it is a reliable, efficient, and comfortable choice for light sport pilots. The TX0001 is a two-seater electric aircraft that can take off and land vertically. It is being developed by the Chinese company Xpeng Aero HT and is designed as an air taxi for short-distance urban travel. It uses 8 electric motors to power 8 propellers, giving it smooth and quiet flight. The aircraft has a sleek, futuristic look and is built from lightweight composite materials. Inside, the cabin is roomy enough for 2 passengers and their luggage. The TX0001 can fly up to about 130 kilometers, 81 miles, and reach a top speed of around 253 kilometers per hour, 157 miles per hour. It is still in development, and its price has not been announced yet. Meet the TUSI, a flying car that looks straight out of a superhero movie. This advanced vehicle combines powerful engineering with vertical flight, letting you drive on city roads or fly above them. Its sleek, futuristic design features foldable propellers, allowing it to switch from driving mode to flight mode in just seconds. Made for city travel, the TUSI can take off vertically from small spaces, making it ideal for daily commutes or quick trips. Its carbon fiber body is lightweight but strong, and the electric motor makes it quiet and environmentally friendly. On the ground, it feels like a luxury car. In the air, it flies smoothly like a drone. With an estimated flight range of 250 to 300 kilometers and a speed designed for short regional trips, the TUSI is not just an idea for the future. It's a big step toward a world where flying to work could be normal.
UDX Airwolf looks like the kind of bike people might fly in the future. A Czech company called UDX is turning this idea into reality with its electric hoverbike, the Airwolf, which has already completed test flights. It moves as quickly and smoothly as a hummingbird, accelerating from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3 seconds and reaching a top speed of 230 km per hour. Even experienced bikers would find the ride exciting. It can carry 2 people at the same time, making it even more impressive. The main drawback is its short flight time of about 25 minutes, but UDX engineers are working to improve the battery range. As the flight time increases, more people may be willing to pay its high price of around $384,000.
UDX Airwolf looks like the kind of bike people might fly in the future. A Czech company called UDX is turning this idea into reality with its electric hoverbike, the Airwolf, which has already completed test flights. It moves as quickly and smoothly as a hummingbird, accelerating from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3 seconds and reaching a top speed of 230 km per hour. Even experienced bikers would find the ride exciting. It can carry 2 people at the same time, making it even more impressive. The main drawback is its short flight time of about 25 minutes, but UDX engineers are working to improve the battery range. As the flight time increases, more people may be willing to pay its high price of around $384,000. Archer Midnight is a next-generation electric air taxi designed for city travel. Built by Archer Aviation, it can carry 1 pilot and 4 passengers, offering fast and quiet flights that help avoid traffic on busy roads. The aircraft uses 12 electric propellers, including 6 that tilt, along with wings that allow it to take off vertically and then fly forward efficiently. It can reach speeds of up to 150 miles per hour and travel between 20 and 50 miles, making it suitable for short city trips, airport routes, and nearby suburban travel. Safety is a key focus, with advanced flight control systems, backup features, and a smooth shift from hovering to forward flight. It is also very quiet, producing about 45 decibels while cruising, and runs on zero-emission electric power, making it environmentally friendly. The Aridge A868 is a modern flying taxi designed to change the way people travel in cities and between cities. Made by Aridge, it uses hybrid engines for long-distance flights and high speeds, without needing a traditional runway. It can carry up to 6 passengers, making it great for group trips. The A868 can travel over 500 kilometers and reach speeds above 360 kilometers per hour. Inside, it offers a comfortable and spacious cabin for a smooth ride. Built in Guangzhou, China, the A868 is part of Aridge's plan to make flying taxis common. The Bellwether Volar is a new electric vertical takeoff aircraft that looks and feels like a real flying car thanks to its sleek, futuristic design. It represents a new step in urban air travel. One of its key features is a hidden propulsion system, which improves efficiency and gives it a smooth, clean look. Its wingless lifting body design helps it move easily and safely through crowded city areas. In terms of performance, the Volar can cruise at speeds of up to 135 miles per hour and fly at altitudes of about 914 meters, making it well suited for city travel. It is designed for personal use and on-demand air taxi services. The current version can carry one pilot and possibly one passenger, while future full-scale models are expected to carry 2 passengers, with later versions planned for up to 4 or 5. With its advanced technology and smart design, the Bellwether Volar offers an exciting look at the future of flying cars and urban transportation. Embraer EVTOL is an electric flying taxi made for modern city and suburban travel. It is designed to be clean, quiet, and efficient, helping people move faster without pollution. Built by Embraer's innovation team, the aircraft can carry 4 passengers and a pilot. It uses a lift plus cruise design with 8 rotors to take off and land vertically, and fixed wings to fly forward smoothly and efficiently. Because it runs on electric power, it produces zero emissions and very low noise. The aircraft also includes multiple backup systems to improve safety, reliability, and comfort. Govee Airjet is a next-generation electric aircraft that can take off and land vertically. It is developed by GAC Group under the GOI brand and is designed to change how people travel in cities and short distances. Govee Airjet can cruise at about 155 miles per hour and fly over 124 miles on a single charge. Fast charging takes around 25 to 30 minutes, and future versions are expected to go even farther using advanced solid-state batteries. Inside, the cabin can seat 3 to 4 passengers. It offers a premium feel with large panoramic windows, soft ambient lighting, wireless charging, and a starlight ceiling. Kitty Hawk Heaviside is a next-generation electric aircraft made for short trips in cities and nearby regions. Its small, lightweight design and modern electric system help cut travel time while reducing pollution. The aircraft uses 8 electric propellers on its wings and front stabilizers, allowing it to take off vertically and then smoothly shift into forward flight. It can reach speeds of about 180 miles per hour and fly close to 100 miles on a single charge, making it ideal for fast point-to-point travel. Heaviside uses very little energy per passenger, offering a cleaner option compared to cars and traditional airplanes. Kleinvision's flying car, called the Aircar, is a dual-mode vehicle that can drive on roads and fly in the air. It became the first flying car to complete an intercity flight when it traveled from Nitra to Bratislava, Slovakia, in June 2021. The Aircar is a 2-seater with folding wings that let it switch from road mode to flight mode in under 3 minutes. It is powered by a 1.6-liter BMW engine producing 140 horsepower. In car mode, it has a range of about 1,000 kilometers, 621 miles, and a top speed of 200 kilometers per hour, 124 miles per hour. In flight mode, it can fly up to 1,000 kilometers, 621 miles, with a top speed of 160 kilometers per hour, 99 miles per hour. The Overair Butterfly is a new kind of flying taxi built to make city air travel quiet, safe, and efficient. Made by Overair in California, It uses advanced technology from experienced aerospace designers. The aircraft has 4 large tilt rotors that help it hover, fly forward efficiently, save energy, and reduce noise. It can carry 6 people, 1 pilot and 5 passengers, at speeds of 290 to 320 km per hour, with a range of about 160 km. Its lightweight carbon fiber frame, big panoramic windows, and backup flight systems make it comfortable, safe, and reliable. The first full-size prototype is already built and being tested. Once certified, it could change how people travel between cities, suburbs, and airports with quiet, practical, and fast flights. Rolls-Royce revealed this hybrid electric vertical takeoff and landing (EVTOL) aircraft concept in 2018. It is a flexible platform designed for many uses, including personal travel, commercial passenger flights, cargo transport, and military missions. The aircraft features tilting wings that allow it to take off and land vertically. During forward flight, the wing-mounted propellers fold away to reduce drag and cabin noise, while 2 rear propellers provide thrust. Inside, it has a versatile 4-seat cabin. The concept offers a range of about 500 miles and a cruising speed of around 250 miles per hour. It is powered by an M250-based hybrid system that produces roughly 500 kilowatts of electrical power. The Autoflight Air Taxi, also called Prosperity, is a modern flying taxi made to improve travel in cities and nearby regions. It was developed by Autoflight in Shanghai and can carry up to 5 passengers. The goal is to provide fast, efficient, and zero-emission transportation. Prosperity uses a lift and cruise design, which means it takes off and lands vertically like a helicopter but flies forward like an airplane. This allows smooth and direct trips between city centers, airports, and nearby cities. Its lightweight body and multiple rotors help keep the flight stable, safe, and reliable. The air taxi can fly at speeds of about 200 km per hour and travel up to 250 km on a single trip, making it useful for real point-to-point travel. With production increasing, Autoflight is moving closer to making flying taxis a normal part of daily transportation and the future of urban travel. The Breezer Sport is a German-built, 2-seat light sport aircraft designed to be fast, smooth, and easy to fly. It has a low-wing design and is made entirely from aluminum, with a rounded body and smooth surfaces that help it cut through the air efficiently. Powered by a 141-horsepower Rotax 915S engine, the Breezer Sport can reach a top speed of about 143 miles per hour and cruises comfortably at 125 miles per hour. It also climbs quickly, at up to 1,300 feet per minute, allowing for fast takeoffs and strong overall performance. Inside, the 46.7-inch wide cabin offers a comfortable space with modern glass cockpit avionics. Overall, the Breezer Sport is a stylish, high-performance aircraft well-suited for pilots who enjoy sport flying. The Drone Champions League made headlines in 2020 when it revealed the world's first manned racing drone. This unique aircraft takes drone technology to the next level. Unlike normal racing drones, it can carry a person and perform exciting stunts like rolls and loops, making it feel part sport and part live entertainment. What makes it stand out is its dual control system. It can be flown by a pilot sitting inside or controlled remotely, blending the feel of a drone with that of a real aircraft. With a price of over $1 million, it's not for everyday use. The makers see it as the future of drone racing, pushing the sport to be faster and more extreme. For now, it remains a high-end machine built for thrill seekers and adrenaline lovers. The SkyDrive SD05 is a small flying taxi designed for city travel. It is known for its smart design and strong potential for urban air mobility. The aircraft won a prestigious IF Design Award in the Professional Concept category, standing out among thousands of entries worldwide for its modern look and advanced engineering. Often called one of the most accessible flying cars, the SD05 has a sleek body and uses 12 electric motors to provide smooth, quiet, and stable flights. Its compact size makes it suitable for crowded city areas, where it can be used for quick daily commutes, air taxi services, or emergency transport. SkyDrive has already shown the SD05 in public test flights, proving its progress in both design and real-world operation. With its mix of attractive design and practical use, the SD-05 is seen as an important step toward the future of safe, efficient, and sustainable city air travel.